So here is my Rakuten marketing account. It's affiliate network. So there are a lot of companies. Here is a list of my advertisers. So here you can see that how commission what I will make from every sale or every lead. Here is return days, so means how many days. Basically, it works like this. So, if customer visitor of your website or people who will click on your affiliate link, so they click on your link and then close browser, and for example, after some days, so here is return days, they return to your affiliate link, not link, but directly to website and make sale. For example, they buy something, you will still get commission. So in this example, Oxygen Plus, you will get 8% on goods. So as you can see, I have a lot of companies here what I'm promoting, more than 7 pages, and all these affiliate links I'm adding to my Twitter bot. So as promised, I will go now to reporting and will show you my results. So let's select report. As you can see, everything happening in real time, so you can be sure that this is not fake, but everything is 100% true. So let's select, for example, last month. Today is 21 of February. Let's select last month, click on apply, and it will view report, and it will load statistic for last month, for January. So here you can see number of clicks, number of sales, what my Twitter bot generates, and here is commission what I will receive. As you know, Rakuten Marketing put some, they pay with 30 days hold, so means I will be paid in next month only. But it's not a problem. So here is list of advertisers. Here's number of clicks, sales, what's it generate me, and here you can also see tracking from which websites or from what social media account you are getting sales. For example, this one is Blogger, and this is simple blog post, and it generates also some traffic. So in last month, my Twitter bot generates almost 1,500 bucks, almost. So let's check how much it generates me this month. So this month is 1,300. I'm sure it will generate more because I still got 1 week, so 7 days more, and I will try to beat last month results. So guys, as you can see, this is everything. So as you can see, results are great, and I'm surfing here in Rakuten. So by the way, you can see a lot of categories here, and for example, you can select any niche you like to promote. So we'll show you video what I have recorded last month. So before starting this one, you can compare all numbers here if you like. So if you still not trust me, and let's move to the next video where I will show you how exactly we do all setup, how to increase your revenue like this by automatically promoting affiliate links, and this 1,300 bucks, it's not the end. So when you generate number like this, you can double or triple this number. What you need to do is simply connect more and more advertisers. So as you can see, this way where it is. So programs, my advertisers. I'm adding every day new advertisers and creating new bots for Twitter. So every day my income grow, and this is how it works, like guys. So make sure to check next videos, and any questions, drop me a message.